an advanced web panel built on SagerNet Singbox. This project includes a disclaimer that it is only for personal learning and communication. It should not be used for illegal purposes or in a production environment. If you find this project helpful, you can give it a star. You can also support the project with a coffee or a crypto donation. Quick overview: features: enable multi-protocol, multi-language, multi-client, inbound, advanced traffic routing interface, client and traffic and system status, subscription link JSON Clash plus information, dark light theme, API interface. Supported platforms: Linux supports AMD 64, ARM 64, ARM 7, ARM 6, ARM 5, 386, and S390X. Windows supports AMD 64, 386, and ARM 64. Mac OS supports AMD 64 and ARM 64 and is experimental. Screenshots: the main interface screenshot is available on GitHub, and additional UI screenshots can be found there as well. API documentation: the API documentation is available on the wiki for the project on GitHub. Default installation information: panel port 2095, panel path app, subscription port 2096, subscription path sub, default user admin and password admin. Install and upgrade to latest version for Linux or Mac OS. Run the following command: bash curls https://raw.usercontent.com/alireza0/master/install.sh. For Windows, download the latest release from GitHub, extract the zip file, run install windows.bat as administrator, and follow the wizard. Install legacy version: add the desired legacy version to the end of the installation command. For example, to install version 1.0.0, run version equals 1.0.0 and bash curls https://raw.usercontent.com/alireza0/s-ui/$sign version/install.sh $version. Manual installation: Linux or Mac OS, download the latest release. Optionally, download the latest SUI sh script, copy it to USR bin, change its permissions, extract the tar.gz file, copy the service files to etc system, reload system, enable automatic start of the SUI service, and start the Singbox service. Windows, download the latest Windows package, extract it, run install windows.bat as administrator, and access the panel at http://localhost:2095/app. Uninstall SUI, login as root, disable the SUI service and stop it, remove the Singbox service file, reload state, remove the SUI installation directory, and delete the SUI binary. Install using Docker. Instructions are provided for both Docker Compose and standard Docker usage, including pulling the latest image, setting port mappings, and mounting configuration directories. Building your own image involves cloning the repository, initializing submodules, and running Docker build. Manual run, contribution build and run the whole project by executing run SUI sh. The frontend is provided by the SUI frontend repository, and the backend is built in Go. After cloning the repository, remove old frontend files, copy the new compiled frontend files into the web folder, build the backend, and run the server. Languages: English, Farsi, Vietnamese, Simplified Chinese, Traditional Chinese, and Russian are supported. Features: supported protocols include general protocols such as mixed, SOX, HTTP, HTTPS, direct, redirect, and T-proxy. V2 array-based protocols like VLS, VMS, Trojan, and Shadow SOX, and other protocols such as Shadow TLS, Hysteria, Hysteria 2, Naive, and TUIC. It also supports XTLS protocols. The panel offers advanced traffic routing features with proxy protocol, external, and transparent proxy, SSL certificate and port management, an advanced inbound and outbound configuration interface, client traffic apps and expiration dates, real-time status monitoring of clients, inbounds, outbounds and system resources, a subscription service with external link support, HTTPS for secure access using a self-provided domain and SSL certificate, and a dark light theme toggle. Environment variable: SUI log level can be set to debug, info, warn, or error, and defaults to info. SUI debug as a boolean and defaults to false. SUI bin folder defaults to bin. SUI DB folder defaults to DB. The Singbox API variable is optional. SSL certificate to obtain a free certificate with certbit, install Snap, install the certbit Snap, create a symlink, then run certbit certainly with a standalone option, register without email, agree to terms, and provide the domain name. Stargazers. Over time, the project star chart is available on an external charting site.